Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add music to WhatsApp status. Actually it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all you can try to open your WhatsApp application and then at the bottom left corner click on the status button. And then for example click on the plus next to your profile photo. Then click on the camera. Then you can record some short video. And then as you can see there is no button to add some music. So the only one way how you can add music to your WhatsApp status is using your Instagram application. So first of all you need to open your Instagram application. Then in the home page you need to scroll to the right. Then you will see this interface. Then you can open your gallery or you can record some video. For example, I will record a short clip. After that, at the top of your screen you need to click on the music icon and then choose or search any music you want. For example, I will choose this one. Then done at the top right corner. After that, you need to save this video to your gallery. You need to click on the three dots button at the top right and then click on the save button. Here it is. After saving, you need to go back to your WhatsApp application. You need to close this window, close again, close, then click on the little plus icon next to your profile photo again, and then choose your recently saved video. Here it is. And then you need to click on the send button at the bottom right, and then your status will be posted. And that's all, and that's how to add music to WhatsApp status. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.